Hey guys, I have something to share with you today. I got connected with Richa Dubey a few months back. She creates audio meditations or affirmations for the brain directly. And she has a way to do it. She's got a technique behind it. And I wanted to make more money. Who doesn't? Right? Everybody wants to make more money. So I asked her if this can be used to make money. She said, absolutely. Relationships, money, health, whatever your problem is, anything. So great, let's give it a shot. So she created this audio file for me, like an MP3. She sent it. I downloaded a music player to play it in the loop. And she said, listen to it, when you go to sleep, for example. That's the best time to listen to it. Okay, fine. So I start playing it. What happens is that she sends multiple messages at the same time. Because you're saying multiple things at the same time, the conscious brain can't understand it. It gets irritated. So the conscious brain gives up, and then these messages go directly into the subconscious. And result of that, it starts rewriting my thought patterns. I might have had some blocks in the subconscious brain, which I was not aware of, related to my earning capacity, my money, and things like that. So, since I started listening to it, in about 10 or 15 days, I started closing deals. I think it took me about 4 deals got closed. And each of them were like contracts of 15,000 rupees per month. My partner was very happy, like, "Tu kar kya raha hai?" And I said, "No, I mean, if I tell you, you won't believe it, but this is what I'm doing." Like, pagal hai, jo bhi hai, it's good, continue, because we were enjoying the business. So that's it. I've been listening to it since then, and the more often I listen to it, the better. I get inquiries, calls, and I think somewhere the way I speak to my customers now, I've changed. So I'm more, uh, what can we do to address your issue rather than nahi hone wala, nahi hone. Like sometimes some deals are not going to happen, but instead of just telling the customers not going to happen, I tell them why it won't happen and what are the alternatives. So I think there has been a shift in the way I think also about my customers, needs and requirements. So I've also asked her to make some other audio meditations for me. That is something I have not yet seen the results, so I'm not talking about it. But when I do, I'll make another video of that. So the money one was great, worked instantly. Uh, Give her a call. She's on my school. You go to school.webdudes.in and find Richa Dubey. Just click on her. You'll see she has some standard ready-made options, uh, which are for weight loss or quit smoking. These are generic ones. They will work for everybody. But I think the personalized ones are better, and the charges are very low. Check it out. Go to school.webdudes.in and try it out and tell me if you get the same results as I do.